value of the bachelor degree in international business administration is widely recognized by companies in Estonia and also abroad because there is a growing need of people with know-how and how to operate on a global scale. And this is what the program in international business administration prepares students for.
It's a 3-year full-time study program that is taught in English. We use various study methods to link the theory with practice. Therefore, we often include guest lecturers, organize company visits, and use simulation games to make the studies more practical and fun for the students. For example, in my course, I often organize company visits that the students very much enjoy.
What I liked about the program is they offer you a wide variety of courses. You can get to choose from entrepreneurship, marketing, accounting to finance, which really helps you in your sophomore year when you have to choose your major because it gives you the whole picture of a business environment.
Graduates find employment in the short time span in Estonia and also abroad, if not already during their studies, in multinational companies, in companies that involve in import-export, just in the public institutions. Often also students might start their own career with their own company because in Estonia we have a favorable environment for companies, high skill levels and pretty dynamic labor market.
The International Business Administration program ensures you a broad-based education, a good foundation for master studies.
I'm looking forward to start my master's studies in IT field, and after that, putting my business and IT knowledge together, I would like to start a business in the field of IT.
So you can do a traineeship in Estonia or in any different country. It's a really nice experience for every student, and you can also combine it with your exchange studies, which gives you a semester to a whole year in a different country, which is always covered by Erasmus Plus program. The student life is really vibrant at TalTech. You get to meet a lot of people. As a fresher, you will have a lot of parties which will open you up to the Estonian culture. Living in Estonia has been a new experience for me. The country is quite small, so you can travel in the country very easily, and the people are very welcoming, and everyone speaks English. It's very nice for international people to interact with all the local people.